Hello everyone, this is Cease and welcome back into my channel. In this channel we discuss luxury unboxings, luxury new releases, and luxury price analysis. In today's video specifically, we're going to be unboxing one of my dream bags from the House of Hermes. Now, I've been looking for this specific bag for quite some time, and I just happened to stumble upon an investor collective and negotiated to an unbelievable price. Specifically because it is one of the brand new versions of the bag, so I'm really praying that everything is okay with it and it will stay into my collection for a very, very long time. Without any further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So here we go. Now, thank God I'm not gonna need a knife for this because I always have to pause from that. Comes with this nice little tab right here. Which is all pulling off. And voila! Now, of course, it's very, very well packed because it is expensive. Ooh. That is odd. They actually included the Hermes dust bag instead of the Bestiaire Collective bag. Wow. It's odd because typically they always include a Bestiaire Collective bag. And as you can see here, it was authenticated. Woo! It does have a very nice smell. And they actually put it on backwards. So here we go! As you guys can see, this is a gorgeous Hermes Evelyne bag in the GM size. The actual leather in this bag is Clemens. Let me just put this back because it's bothering me. And I'm just going to take a quick look at it. The leather in this is extremely nice feeling. This is like my first full-on Hermes leather piece, and let me tell you, just the feel of it is incredible. Wow. And of course, as I was mentioning, this is the third edition of the Hermes Evelyne, which has this little pouch in the back. This is one of the most attractive features of this version. And of course, you have the adjustable strap here too. Wow, I'm honestly am so impressed by this. Now, this brand new from the Hermes website currently retails at $3,375. However, as I was mentioning, I was able to negotiate this bag to an incredibly low price of $1,500, which is almost half off. And for the condition of this, I'm honestly so impressed. This was shipped from Cyprus, and it honestly came in so quickly. I always say Bestiaire Collective is very hit or miss with their deliveries and their authentication. It all depends on how quickly the seller ships their stuff and the authentication process. Now, I do know that it has a little bit of corner wear. Let me just, come on, zoom in. There you go. It has a little bit of corner wear, but I'm gonna try to clean that off. Let me do it again, which is normal with these type of things, specifically with a white leather bag like this. This is minimal, like, and the strap itself, as you can tell, is very clean and white, which they typically, and I've seen this a lot online, they typically start taking a yellow hue after a few years. The bag does feature a very, very gorgeous Hermes H perforated logo here, and a small little tab here in order to close it. As most people do not know, this is actually the back of the bag, and this is the front of the bag. Let me just close it. And this is the actual front of the bag. However, you know, if you're trying to show people, because a lot of people don't know this is actually Hermes, but if you know, you know. And to be quite honest, this is kind of like a forever piece. Man, I'm telling you, the leather, you can even zoom it in here. The leather that was used to create this Evelyne bag, the Clemens leather, it's so smooth and buttery. I'm honestly so impressed by this. See, I was a little bit iffy about how this bag will wear, specifically because I've heard the Clemens leather is very slouchy. However, once you feel it, the touch and feel of it, it is extremely luxurious. And I'm honestly, I don't regret buying this. Well guys, that is the end of this video. If you guys like this video, please like and comment down below. And if you find me entertaining or informative in any way or sort of form, you can please subscribe. I'm honestly very happy with this purchase, and I hope I do maintain this into my collection for a very long time. And with that, we'll leave it until next time. Goodbye!